Alright. Hey guys. So I'm here with my friend Jax, Ball, and Zero, and you know me, Ryan Plays and Edits. And today we are doing a challenge where we're seeing who can collect the most honey in 12 minutes. Yeah. Alright. So alright, so what I need to do is just write down, alright, how much honey do you have currently?
1,893.
And alright, I'll just write mine down. 1, 2.
Yo, Ryan, what's the poll of the day? What's the poll of the day?
Basically, vote in the comments who do you want to win and you think is gonna win. Alright, I'm gonna get the timer ready. Alright, it will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, man.
Alright, it's starting.
Yo, is it cheating if you already started off with 100 movement?
You're fine, you can use that. Alright. Well, I want to try to complete a black bear quest, so I'm gonna start by doing this. I probably won't finish it all in this video, but yeah.
No, I'm doing a black bear too. Talk to black bear.
Alright. What field are you grinding in right now?
Damn. What's the one with that has the 2 white flowers and that has the world in it?
The dandelion field?
Yeah, I'm grinding in the dandelion field.
Alright.
I'm not lagging this time now.
Alright, that's good. Need to fill up the balloon.
Yo guys, Jack's falling. Yeah, maybe a guy plays and edits comment section. Comment that. Look, that's things that I can use to make like avatar without it. Looks like a free avatar.
No, I already have my avatar.
No, let's hear me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use this.
Y'all can help Jackson by commenting down like some helpful comments about like a free avatar he's looking for.
Yeah, like just some like pants and stuff.
Yeah, like pants and shirts and maybe some accessories. Ooh, poof shroom. I guess y'all are enjoying some key ASMR.
Yo, I'm gonna win, you know.
Huh?
I'm gonna win. I'm in the fallen field right now. And when I'm in the white things are like the green step.
The dandelion field.
Does it say the name of the field on it?
No, sadly not. After a little while, you get to memorizing them. What?
Do you think 1B could beat the ladybug?
I mean, yeah, if you try not to get like attacked by it, and the Ruby isn't that tired, then yeah, probably. I'd say I'm doing pretty good right now.
Yo, my bee's winning, my bee's winning.
How much time left?
I'm doing it, yo.
We have 8 minutes and 32 seconds.
Okay. I'm going to... I'm making honey right now.
Alright.
Wait, yo, why is it not letting me think? Make honey, bro, make.
I'm grinding these balloons.
Yeah, grinding is fun.
Yeah.
Yo, comment down below in Jack's Rollins comment section and then I am like comment section if you want to. What is the like my place is go outside and get fresh air. That's my wish for it. Like if it's in the winter, so like go out and you just go outside and get fresh air. But it is negative 12 degrees
Alright. How much?
How much right now?
I have like 490 pollen. Or 490,000.
How much you
How much honey?
Yeah.
Personally, like 200,000.
I just step up my game.
Excluding my pollen rate right now.
Yo, you going to camp tomorrow?
Yeah.
We have so many annoying girls in LA, like 6 girls. I wonder when it is tomorrow. I didn't check my calendar.
I think I checked it, but I kind of forgot.
Yeah, that's fine.
I may have to.
Yo, I'm sending a Twitter right now.
What?
I sent the trainer request right now.
Bee Swarm Simulator is getting less and less popular, so I think y'all should check it out because it's pretty cool.
Please fight it. I can go into Ladybug field now.
Cool. I think I have like a science
But
fair
that
quest.
Ladybug ain't got nothing on me. I need to get out of here. No, go away. Are you family by any chance?
Yeah.
No. I feel like I was. If any of my viewers, my subscribers, know this, but I accidentally talking about something about videos with the message. It was a complete accident. It's the only swear I've ever said.
Well, I'm family friendly here, so yeah.
Okay, I'm drinking on my doorbell. Yeah, with my friend Ryan. Yo, I'm on right now. Yeah, right now. And my parents are on it. No, sorry.
Just a little interruption. Alright, we're back to the challenge.
See you in a minute.
How much time is left? Looks like we have 2 minutes 37 seconds.
Talking to him.
That one took like a hot
The
second.
ladybug didn't even come out. I'm in the ladybug's place and it didn't even come out.
Well, there's a timer before mobs. There's a regen timer.
I'm logging in this field, bro. Yo, I made a SpongeBob parody because I'm making a music album. To all my fans, yeah, yo, it's a job in I think it should be jumping on August 2nd.
August 2nd?
Yeah.
That's my birthday. Bro, I guess it's dropping on my birthday.
That's crazy. How much honey you got right now?
I have 92 mil, 669,000.
How? I'm cooked, everybody.
Well, that's not how much I've made in total, though.
Is that how much you made in this video?
No,
How much have you made in this video?
I'm not really sure.
Bro, if I can get the frog, does the frog attack you?
The frog?
Yeah.
No. The frogs don't attack you. They're usually caused by someone else's bee, so they shouldn't attack you.
But do you think what happened? One bee in real life? One bee or a frog?
Probably a frog. Well, maybe the bee. It depends what type of bee, because if it's like a honeybee, they're cooked.
No, wasp.
Yeah, probably the wasp. Y'all enter in the comments who would win in a fight, a wasp or a... Shoot, I've been getting attacked by the vicious bee.
Yo. I'm gonna be scared. I'm gonna be scared. You have like a whole idea
Yo, the timer ended. So after I'm kind of like, done defeating this vicious bee, I'm not gonna try to get any pollen or anything, so it's fair. I'll be right back, guys. Yeah, we'll just have to cut it. Yeah, we're keeping the scores. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, bye guys. See you after I defeat the vicious bee and calculate the scores. Hey guys, welcome back. So today, as you know, we are done grading the scores. So in second place comes Jackson, who made 2,180 honey. And in first place comes me, and I made 2,624,398. So yeah. So that's really the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel as well as to Jackson's channel, JacksBallin0. Yeah.
Yo, so peace out.
Yeah. Alright, see you guys for the next video next time. Bye guys.
Bye.